Hello guys, and cheers first because I'm really thirsty. And I am very disappointed. So again, I purchased the Sofirn SC29 based on YouTube reviews. And I just can't believe how fake you guys reviewing this flashlight are. Okay, this is unbelievable. I'm just so disappointed. I don't know. I don't know. Okay, so right away I'm gonna go into the bad stuff. Okay, this is 27. What the hell is it? 2750 or what is it? 21700. I'm sorry. Okay, 21700 flashlight. Okay, and it performs worse than the 18650. If I'm gonna compare these two against each other, the 18650 will give me a more and better light than this Sofirn SC29 21700. Okay, that's really bad. Okay, you can't even compare this to another one 21700 battery. So that's unbelievable. Okay, and another thing, everybody on YouTube is saying this is a flood. This is a flood. Okay, you want to see flood? Please take the True Night T2. Okay, this is a flood. Okay, not this. This is a half a flood. This is right in the middle between the beam and flood. Okay, so that's another thing. This is not a flood. Okay, this is flood. If you want to see flood, take the True Night T2. That's a flood flashlight. Okay, that's another thing. Well, let's compare the sizes. Okay, so this is the True Night. This is 21700. This is 21700. Okay, let's see how much bigger is that and how much beefier. Okay, so let's go into the design. If you want to purchase the flashlight and look at it like this, it's absolutely gorgeous. It's beautiful, fantastic. But that's not why I want the flashlight. I want the flashlight to be useful, and this is not useful. Okay, you look at this thing, it's completely flat, made black. In the dark you cannot find it. You cannot absolutely find this flashlight. And when do you need it? When do you need it most? In the dark, right? When it's dark, completely dark, you need a flashlight, and now you cannot find it. You need another flashlight to find the flashlight. Well, this is unbelievable. Okay, can you just have this little thing here that when you turn it on, when you find the flashlight and you turn it on, and suddenly you have this little teeny tiny LED shining here. Okay, can you just have that little tiny LED, like maybe like the Vurkas, just blinking, just to say, hello, I am here, you don't have to be looking for me, you know? Or maybe this one, which is even better, but I don't want to get into the other flashlights. Okay, this is completely useless. In the dark you cannot find it, unless it's in your pocket, obviously. But if you go camping and you have it somewhere in a tent, you wake up at night and you're looking for the light, well, you need another flashlight to find this flashlight. Excuse me. This is completely, not even like, okay, so the True Night doesn't have any light, but at least it has the ring on it, so you can see it in any position. It's gonna reflect the light, right? The button, it's kind of light, so you can distinguish the button from the other parts of the flashlight. Okay, this one, even though it does have the blinking light and that can be changed to solid, it still has the ring on it which will give it away. Here I am with just a little bit light, but this one is like completely in the dark. I don't get it. I don't get it. Why would you want to make the flashlight so dark that you cannot even see it? Okay? It looks like, well, it looks like this does have the light here. How difficult would it be to put a little teeny tiny LED blink in here? Just to tell me, hello, here I am. Okay? That's unbelievable. That's just, oh my gosh. This is so bad. And we're gonna go outside and we're gonna confirm the, compare the beams. But in any case, the performance of this light is nowhere close to the other 21700 cells flashlights, okay, like this one or the other one, or I don't even know. I don't even want to get into it. And I have nothing against Sofirn, because Sofirn is a good brand and I have a good, very good Sofirn lights. Not exactly right here, but yes, I do have a good Sofirn lights and I'm happy with them, like the Sofirn Q8 Pro or Q8 Plus, and others. I can't remember the numbers, but and I don't even know. So what does that? What is this good for? This kind of strange. I don't even know what does that supposed to do. Like it does nothing, completely nothing. Okay, it just looks cool when you look at it. I mean, it looks really cool, but in real it does nothing. I think it actually kills the light. If anything else, it performs much worse than just a plain, buff like that. Okay, I mean, really, this is so bad. This is, and the tail, the magnetic tail. Okay, if you're gonna attach it to the refrigerator, that's what I did, and the fly will land on its head, it's gonna fall down. It's just barely hanging there. Let me see if, well, okay. It's like, oh, okay. Oh, okay, it's there, but it really just needs a little touch, and it's gonna end up just a little bit, okay. It's just gonna end up on the floor. So anyway, the magnet is not very good either. It's okay. It will hold the light, but really be careful, because if mosquito lands on this thing here, it's gonna fall down. Or if you're gonna shut the refrigerator door, it's gonna fall down. Okay, it's just really bad, and that goes for this one too. It's the same thing. And that goes for this one too. This is the same thing, okay? I don't know what the hell is wrong that they have to made that magnet like really just barely holding the light. Okay, they could not just use just like a touch stronger magnet, you know. But anyway, so this is unbelievably bad. Okay, it looks good, it's beautiful, it's if you, like I said, if you want to look at it like that and admire it, it's fantastic. But for practical use, it's absolutely junk. I'm sorry. That's it. Cheers. Next time.